What a beautiful day! Hello! My name is Jimmy. What's your name?
Hello, Jimmy. My name is Wendy.
Hello, Jimmy. My name is Thomas.
Let's go to school together. Wendy, what have you got in your school bag?
I've got books and a pencil box.
And water bottle.
I've got 1, 2 books, a pencil box, a water bottle.
What have you got in your pencil box?
Hey, Jimmy, you don't know what we put in our pencil box?
No, I don't.
Can you see anything?
No.
Yes.
Have you got a ruler?
Yes.
Have you got a rubber?
Yes.
Have you got a pencil?
Yes.
Have you got a biscuit?
A biscuit in a pencil box? No!
I've got a biscuit in my pencil box. See? A biscuit.
You should put your biscuit in the snack box. Look!
I don't have a snack box.
You don't?
No, I haven't.
Have you got a ruler?
No, I haven't.
Have you got a pencil? How do you go to school with us?
All right. I've got 2 pencils. Here's one for you.
You can use my ruler.
Oh, Thomas, Wendy, you're my good friends.
A ruler. A rubber. A pencil.
A biscuit.
Have you got a rubber?
No, I haven't.
Have you got a pencil?
Yes, I've got a pencil.
Wendy, I took this picture by myself.
You drew it? It's a beautiful picture.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I want to have a look. Give it to me. Oh,
Jimmy, look what you've done. It is torn now.
I only wanted to have a look. I didn't mean to. Thomas.
Look, it's all right now.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
See you later, Wendy.
Bye, Thomas. Jimmy, are you all right?
Thomas doesn't like me anymore.
Thomas will like you when you say the magic word to him.
The magic word?
And have good manners.
The magic word? Good manners? What do you mean? Huh?
Peter, here's a book. It teaches us how to make a robot. Let's read it.
All right. I'm going to sleep for a while. Then I'll help you finish the robot. OK?
OK.
Kitty, how's it going?
Look! I've made a robot! Now I'm going to test it.
Oh, great!
Let me turn it on first. Give me a pencil, please.
Here you are, Master.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, it works!
Very good! Let me turn it off. Peter, I'm very tired. I'm going to have a rest. See you later.
See you. It's easy to make the robot work. Let me try. Close the box. I said close the box. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? I said close the box. Hey, listen you robot. Don't put the toys all over the place. Stop! I said stop!
Stop! Please!
Yes, Master.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The robot doesn't listen to me. How do you make it work, Kitty?
I'm polite to the robot. I say the magic word to it.
The magic word? What is it?
P-L-E-A-S-E, please.
Please?
Yes. You have to say please. And you must have good manners.
Really?
Yes. Try it out yourself.
Put the toys in the box. Please?
Yes, Master.
Peter, the robot has done something for you. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, Peter? When you want the robot to help you, you need to have good manners.
You're right, Kitty. We must have good manners.
So, the magic word is please. I need to have good manners.
Don't forget the magic word next time.
Okay, I'll remember.
Wendy, I drew another picture.
Thomas, this picture is very nice.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Thomas, can I have a look, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love my friends, I help my friends love me, my friends help me. I love my friends, I help my friends love me, my friends help me.
Look, we made the rabbit together.
Yes, a rabbit!
Say it together.
Thomas, can I have a ruler, please? Wendy, can I have a piece of paper, please?
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.